guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, actually, let me introduce myself. My name is Yetunde for those who don't know. Today I'm going to be curling the ends of my braids. I did these knotless braids a little while ago. I think they're about 2 weeks old now, and they're cute, but I'm itching to switch it up. So I'm going to be curling the ends, and I'm just going to show you guys how I do that. So we're going to start on one side. All you need are these like flexi rods, because that's what I like to use for the type of curl pattern that I want. You can always braid it and dip it in the water, but it's more of a wavy look versus like an actual spiral. So I grabbed these. I do have them in like different sizes, but I'll be using these blue ones. I just hope I have enough. So I have 8 of these, which means I can do 4 on each side. And also, depending how big you want the curls to be is how many hair you add to each rod. So the tighter you want the curls, the less hair you put on each one, but the bigger, the more you add. For me right now, I don't really care how much, so but I'm just going to split it into 4 anyways, like into 4 sections on each side. So you just grab the rod and you put it as high as you want the curls to be. So I think I'm going to put mine like right here, and you just wrap. So that's one done. I'm going to do the rest of them. You want to make it as even as you want on where you want it to stop and stuff. I'm not counting it to make sure like I have the exact numbers of braids on each one. I'm just feeling for it, honestly. It's not like that deep. And this is the last one. The good thing about braids is like it's a protective style that's very versatile. Like crochet can be too, depending on the crochet, but with braids there's just so many things you can do with it. And literally, if I get tired of the curls, I can straighten it back by just dipping it back in the water. So this side is done. I'm gonna do the other half, and this is it. It's very quick. So I've done all of them. Now all that's left to do is to dip it in the water. I do have my little like cup here that I like to use, so I'm gonna fill it up and come back. All right, we are back. So I have my water here. It's literally steaming. I don't know if you guys can see that. But I have a towel on myself just in case it drips. And then I have another towel that I'm going to dry it off with. So I just sit it here. And you can definitely please have somebody else do this for you just to be on the safer side. And you just dip it in the water. And you don't need to dip the whole braid, just the ends. And just dry it out with the towel so it doesn't drip on you. And I do the same with the rest. And we're done with the dipping. I'm just gonna dry it out a little bit more. So now that it's dipped, I don't really leave it in or anything. I can just take it off right away. And you just unravel it. So curly. That's what the ends look like. Look at the pretty curls. I love it. This is it for this side. It looks so pretty. And voila, we are finished. This is what the curls look like. It's so cute. And I just love these curls a lot more than the what you would get if you were to braid it instead of using these rods. But it looks so freaking cute. I love it. Absolutely love it. I didn't even do my edges or anything, but it's still giving what it needs to give. But yeah, that is it. Let me know what you think in the comment box below. Will you try this out? This is literally, you can do it 10 minutes or less. That's how easy it is to do. So let me know if you try it out in the comment box below. And don't forget to like and subscribe while you're here. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.